where Indonesian police mobile brigade have taken some steps to help victims cope with the disaster following the 6.6 magnitude quake that rattled Banten on January the 14th.
They set up field kitchen and shelters for those affected by the gastrophe.
In addition, the aftershocks continue to appear. Despite being less powerful than before, the residents have been urged to stay cautious. Banten Police Mobile Brigade Corps have dealt aid assistance, including 2 shelters at the Kertajasa courtyard and 1 field kitchen.
The Banten Regional Police Chief stated another field kitchen and shelters were also built in Lebak Regency, where almost of its area were affected by the quakes.
Ini akan kita berikan pelayanan untuk warga yang terdampak. Oleh karena itu kami mengantisipasi dengan terjadian tenda pengungsi, walaupun sampai saat ini tidak ada titik pengungsi, tapi kami tetap siapkan termasuk dapur umum. Dapur umum ini kita buat ada beberapa titik, tidak hanya di Pandeglang. Saat ini kita ada di Pandeglang, tapi di Lebak juga kita siapkan dapur umum dan tenda. Siapa tahu nanti ada warga yang ingin mengungsi karena memang rumahnya tidak bisa